Hi everyone, it's Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps, and today I'm going to be making a new Maryland crab soap. Now it's going to look just like, well, very same shape as our Maryland Pride, the flag soap, but I'm not sure if I posted that video yet, I have to. I use a cookie cutter to cut out those shapes. And once I got, a certain amount, once my orders increased, I asked my dad to make me a custom mold, which we'll see in a little bit. But before I start using the custom mold completely, I want to use up all of these little soap shreds. So I cut them down into tiny little pieces, and I'm going to be making a confetti soap, and it'll still have the crab shape. And it gives me a chance to test out the new mold. So I'm going to start with my bucket. And since I'm only doing one color, it's going to be completely unscented, just white soap to mix this in, because this is already all fragranced. I'm using Vanna White, so I'm going to mix in my color first, and then I'll add my lye water. It's just a little easier getting rid of clumps. So let's get started with that. Not at all worried about air bubbles because I'm still adding the lime water solution, still adding confetti soap to it, so bubbles will get taken out. All right, now I'm gonna add my lime water solution. And there's still a little bit of the white that's in there, but that's okay. It'll all get mixed in. To be the very least at trays, probably a little thicker trays, just so all the confetti soaps won't fall right to the bottom. All right, that's pretty good. I'm going to clean off my stick blender. And then I'm going to mix the confetti. Now I usually don't like to do a little more than half and half. I pretty much eyeball it. That's how I do most of my stuff. And I'm going to see how much it can hold. You really just want to make sure that all of the little confetti pieces get coated with the new soap so they don't get kind of ripped apart when you cut them. I think I can add some more, which is great. And this is my first time using the mold my dad made, so I really don't know how much it's going to hold. When I unmold it, I will weigh the full piece of soap, and then I'll get my my number. This is all sticking pretty well. I'm going to let it thicken up just a little bit. Actually, I'm going to add a little more soap confetti. Yeah. The new soap I made today is pretty much just a vehicle to get the confetti into a brand new soap. I think I'll be able to put just a smidge more, which is awesome. I don't like to waste anything. All right, so I still have a little bit left over, but I know I'll be making more of these in the future. Let me stir that in. And then, let me show you the mold. I'm gonna let that thicken up a little bit. So this, big honking guy is the mold my dad made. So, goes all the way down. I'm really excited about it, but there's no way I'm gonna be able to pour from this bucket into here without making a massive mess. So I'm taking one of my little containers and I'm gonna put some of this in, and I'm just gonna do a couple layers at a time to see how it goes. See how it all mixes together. All right, let's get started. confetti soap is like the most unpleasant sound pouring ever. I'm just trying to get it all over and flood all the little pieces. Probably gonna have to pull out my step ladder so I can see what I'm doing. Not gonna lie. This is a tall bucket and a tall mold, and I'm not so tall. Let me shake this a little bit. All right. I'm just gonna keep pouring, and we'll see how it goes. And the rest of the soap is pretty runny, which I think is gonna be useful by getting it all in the little pieces. All the little crab claws. This is a messy one. This is so messy. I'm always messy, but this is even more than normal. Get in there, bud. All right, I'm gonna pause real quick and I'm gonna grab my step ladder. All right, I'm back on the step ladder. Hopefully not gonna put my head to the ceiling fan. There we go. The nice thing about like prepping my molds in rice is that if the soap gets in there, it's not a big deal. All right, so what I'm gonna try to do next, I'm gonna pat this down. Try to get everything in there without moving the mold too much. And this honestly is kind of an experiment because I haven't used this mold before. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, and I'm somehow gonna have to be able to tap this on the ground, which, yeah. I've got at least 25 pounds of rice in here and then the soap and the mold. So that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna keep pouring and gently patting. Now it does look like it's coming out a little bit on the side. Yeah, that's okay. So I'll just keep adding a little more soap. That was my knee cracking. So I'll let that set up. I'll pour a little more and I'll be back to show you the final top. All right, and here is our top. It is still pretty messy. I will probably add a little more soap, but I might just leave it go and then see how it looks when I cut it. So once again, this was just kind of a test run. I know I'll be able to use at least, you know, 3/4 of this. The stuff on the top, we'll see. So I'll know better for next time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back when it's time to cut this. Okay, we're back, and I'm gonna unmold these, and I'm warning you guys now. My family is awake, and they are loud, so I'm not sure how much audio we'll actually be able to have. And I know there was a bunch of leakage. You can see the top, you can tell by the sides. That's why I use rice. It's nice and easy. So next time I use this mold, I will tweak how I store it. Oh goodness, I'm not sure how I'm gonna get this out. Huh. Yeah, but that's the really good thing about using rice. Oh yeah, you can see a lot of it came out. Is that it's, oh god, this is like, there we go. Holy Lord. Okay, well I lost a lot of soap. So this one was kind of a tester batch. So for next one, I'm gonna know to seal it up a little better. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna work on it. All right, so I'm gonna go get another container to put all this in, and I'll be right back. All right, so I moved this into a smaller container, and now I'm just gonna kind of chip at the sides. Oh my God, I don't know what my kids are doing. I don't know that that's gonna work. That's just gonna make more of a mess. I should have gotten another size bucket like this. All right, I'm just gonna keep chipping away at this, and then I'll be back to show you if any of the soap survived inside. Okay, we're back after I cleaned up. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna find when I unmold this, but let's get started. I figure you can share my reaction. Oh no, no, don't claws, don't come off. Okay. Oh my God, my kids are yelling in the background. All right, so, oh no. Okay, so obviously this first part is not, because everything fell out, but, oh, okay. So this, that sucks. That's a bummer. Stinks, sorry. But the rest of it is good. So let's figure out how to get you out without breaking you. All right, let's see if that'll work. Is this gonna work? All right, I'm gonna flip this over. Man, this sucks. It stinks, I'm so sorry. But I think I technically can reuse these again. We'll see. I'll have to clean everything out. But once again, this is more just, I'm saying this to remind myself, it's more just testing the mold. So I need to figure out why it leaks so bad, because none of my other ones have leaked this terribly, and this one really did. So, I'm not sure what happened. And I might be, oh, there we go. I don't even know what I'm saying. So my dad, with some of the other ones he cut, he split them all the way down, and I might be doing that with this one. Let me see how well this one molds. Okay. Oh, of course. All right. Okay. Okay. Everything's okay. All right, let's put you over there to clean and deal with later. All right, let's see what we have. So it looks like we got a crab. Honestly, that's what we need at the end of the day. So just be excited about that, and I'll figure out what went wrong with the mold a little later. So I'm going to, let's see, I'm gonna clean these little guys up real quick. Let me get a knife and clean that up. You can still see some stuff from my dad did that. All right, I'm gonna clean that up. Let me grab a knife. Okay. All right. Get this little bit of soap out of there. There we go. Let's scrape some of that off. Okay. All right. So let's bring this in. So this looks like this little guy got dinged, so I'm gonna cut him. Oh, it looks like my son may be making an appearance. There he comes. Hi, honey. What's up? Oh, these are pretty. Awesome. But I'm really not sure the best way to cut these. Hi, it's a show. My husband's trying to claim my son. It's not working. All right, let's try cutting it this way. And we're gonna see. Go find Dada, baby. Why not? You wanna be with Mama? Oh, these were tricky to cut. Hi, no, Mommy's still filming, guys. Okay. I do love this little guy. So this is pretty good. Pretty happy with this little one. All right, so she's gonna, oh God, help us all. It's just gonna be a little work, but I like how that turned out. So, hey Jack, honey, can you go see Daddy? Can you go see Dada? So, and this is my first time trying this mold, so hi. So I'll see. Oh, okay, with these did turn out pretty. And I made these thicker than my normal cut, because the normal ones I'm constrained by the cookie cutter. This I was not. Hi, you wanna go find your dad? No, Dad, okay. What are we playing with? Oh, we found a hook. We found a hook on Mama's table. All right, this one. Uh-oh. All right. Okay, these are cool. All right, so I'm liking these. I'm feeling better. I'm getting some good ones out of this. I'm feeling better. Oh my Lord, baby boy. Yeah, this is why I do all my real work when he's napping. And his dad is supposed to be distracting him, but that's not happening apparently. Oh, I love this. Yeah, what you doing, buddy? Do you want to say hi? Hi. Say hi, video people. All right. And I actually have a bunch more confetti, so I will be trying this again and see how it goes and see what I can tweak and fix. And I'm gonna call my dad and talk to him about it and see what his thoughts are. All right, I think this will be the last one. No! All right, so I'm gonna cut this one thinner, obviously, because that just boomed. Jack's helping. Yeah, so Since that just got messed up, this will be a little sample bar. So all in all, these were somewhat a success. It's a learning experience. So, do you like them, Jack?
Yeah.
Hey, Jack, what do you think? Is this a crab?
No, it's a cup.
It's not a crab. What is it? Is it soap?
Cup.
Crab? Yeah. So I hope you guys like this. This is a super crazy video. I apologize for the background noise. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Please leave a message down below and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.